If you're watching this video, either you already have a cup in your hand and are wondering how to use it, or you have heard about menstrual cup and wondering what the fuss is all about. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use a menstrual cup. So if you're now ready to use a menstrual cup, make sure that you have these 4 points in check. First of all, make sure you have the cup in the right size which is appropriate for you. Second, make sure that the cup that you're about to insert is clean and sterile. Third, make sure the hands you're going to use to insert the cup, they are washed, clean, preferably your nails should be trimmed. Fourth, ensure that you only try to insert the menstrual cup when you're actually on your periods and there is menstrual flow. Next, let's learn how to fold this device. Menstrual cup needs to be folded primarily to make sure that you can insert it easily inside the vagina. There are many ways to fold a menstrual cup, but I'm going to talk about 3 commonly used folds. The first fold is called a C or a U fold. In this fold, you just press on the rim or the edge of the cup, flatten it, and then fold it to form either a C, this is C, or a U fold. Another way to fold a cup is in shape of a 7. In this, you're going to flatten it and turn it into a 7. The third fold or the punch down fold is an excellent fold for new beginners. In this, you just use your finger to punch down edge from one end so that the cup takes this form or shape, and this is called the punch down fold. Let us now understand how to insert a cup. So when you're ready to insert your cup, make sure you get yourself in a comfortable position. You can either squat down or you can elevate one of your legs to a platform like the toilet seat. Next, fold your clean cup in any of the folds as discussed before. With your non-dominant hand, spread the labial lips, and with your dominant hand, bring the cup to the vaginal opening and push it up as far as you can. Remember that vaginal canal is inclined towards your backbone at a 45-degree angle. So make sure that you don't push the cup up. Make sure that you slide it back towards your backbone as far as your finger will allow. The cup in most cases will pop open on its own. If you feel by running a finger around the cup that the cup is still folded, you can just give it a nudge and the cup should open on its own. You can easily keep the cup in place for 6 to 8 hours. Depending upon your flow, if your flow is heavier, you can even take it out after 1 to 2 hours. When you're ready to remove your cup, again get back in the same comfortable position that you used while inserting the cup. Either squat down or again put your leg elevated on a platform. Put your fingers inside the vagina to try to locate the stem. In certain cases, you may not be able to instantaneously feel the stem. In that case, just strain like you would to pee, and because of that intra-abdominal pressure, the stem should come down. The moment you are able to feel the stem of the cup, remind yourself not to pull it immediately, but use the cup as a director and head for the base of the cup. Pinch the base of the cup to release the vacuum. Once the vacuum is broken, slide the cup down the same way that you inserted it in. Once the cup is out, dump all the menstrual flow into the sink, wash it properly, rinse it with water, and then you are ready to fold and reinsert the cup.